horses. Down on the farm live lots of horses. Yay! With 4 powerful legs, great galloping horses are very fast. They have long noses and eyes on the side of their head, so they can see all around. This is great for wild horses, in case any bad animals sneak up on them. That's why horses can sleep lying down and standing up, always ready to run away. Horses love to gallop in big herds. A long time ago, people started working with horses. That makes most horses domestic animals. Now horses have lots of jobs. Some horses pull carriages. And some horses work for the police. Others are part of the king's guard. Clippity-clop, clippity-clop. Cowboys and cowgirls ride horses. They help them ride through the vast country. Yeehaw! Would you like to gallop like a horse? What other animals would you like to learn about next? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe.